Yo, what's up, guys? Today is a good day because we're making a good sub bass, an easy sub bass that we make with Operator. Before we make the sub bass, I want you to hear what we got going on. Nice. What we're making is the sub layered with this white noise. It's very nice. Groovy. Check out just the sub. If you see at the loudness levels, we're hitting a nice 6 negatives. These are just for monitoring, so don't even worry about these. You just do a little quick delete. And what we're doing here is we're using Operator. And when you get Operator, make sure that you're on the line. Time is at 61. Turn the pitch envelope on, turn it up to 100%. Got the decay to 146. This adds like a nice transient at the beginning so that you can have a nice little oomph as soon as the bass starts. And then if you go here, you can see these are the harmonics. Now, when you skip one, it's a perfect harmonic. So we have the full sub playing, and then we added a little bit of harmonic right here. So let's listen without the harmonic. Let's slowly edit in. So we're adding extra harmonics at the top, thickening the bass, thick bass. Cool. Now, these doing nothing, levels at 0, only on this oscillator, clean sine wave. We're putting an overdrive on. We're putting it in the low range, adding 63% drive, 67% tone, 50%. This is giving us more distortion, and then we add the secret sauce, which is the pedal. This pedal is very amazing because you have this sub button, the sub button of all conquerors, and this sub button will give you extra subness. Let's listen. Turned off, turned on. Look at that. Sub button off, on. Get some extra boomf, and then we just EQ'd it. Took out some of those highs. Then we use this joystick clip at the end, boost it up a little bit. If you listen without the joystick clip, and then with, making a huge difference on that distortion game today. So that's a really nice sub. This is used in bass music, not your regular hip hop song. Next, we move on to the white noise. I made a noise generator right here, and this is using Operator, of course, just the noise in Operator. You can use these knobs to add some macros, and you can just have fun with all them macros and all them automations and all them fun noises. If you look here, there's different noises. Naturally, I like to be on 69. You can make a nice noise, and then you just write it in. Same note, which I'm using D all the time. And then I add some Haas effect at the end to just widen out that noise. And if you listen to that with the sub, get a really nice layer, and then with the mix, it sounds like they just blend together. Nice. So, you want this noise generator? You want this sub bass? Get it on my Patreon. What are you guys doing? Why are you guys waiting so long? We got all the nice sounds in there. I'm going to be making a lot more mixes, tutorials, original songs. This song right here, Vault 1618, I'm going to rename it and it's going to be coming out soon. So you guys stay tuned and thank you for the support. You guys have been awesome. Don't forget to like, subscribe, keep it real, keep it fresh, and have a good day. Peace out.